Hey, I'm Megan with Say Loco, and I'm so excited because today I'm opening up this box from Lily Jade. Got dropped off on my porch last night, but it was too late to film, and I was like, duh! I just want to get it open so I can see what is inside. I mean, I know what's inside. It's a Madeline, and it's in red leather. My very first Lily Jade was a used canvas red Elizabeth that I loved. Loved, loved, loved. And I've been dying since I sold that bag to get a red Lily Jade back in my collection, and I think this one is going to just knock me over. I'm so excited. So let's get into this box. Got my scissors. Okay, if you've watched my unboxings before, you know that Lily Jade packs their bags meticulously. There is like no room for error or anything happening to your bag on the way to you. You just get your packing slip on top, and then inside the bag is plastic covered and then dust bag covered, and then there's like little slips of cardboard between this box, this, and the bag. It's awesome. We don't need this box on here anymore. Never need it again. Let's get this plastic cover off. I told you there are so many layers protecting this bag from anything happening to it. You got the dust bag underneath that, and this is that little piece of cardboard I was telling you about. Alright, I have never, seen a Madeline in person before today. It's a pretty similar size to the Shaylee, I'd say, like immediately off the bat. That's what it kind of feels like. It's wider than the Shaylee. Maybe not quite as tall. Oh my gosh, I'm smitten. This is gorgeous. Heading into Valentine's Day, anybody? This is going to be the perfect bag for that. Your zipper pulls even come protected by plastic. So let me get that off so we can talk about these pockets. There's so many on the outside of this bag. I'm not used to it. You've got this gorgeous little one here. Oh, it feels so nice. And that is a lined pocket. Great for chapstick and other things. Then you have this magnetic closure here. And then you have 3 gigantic slip pockets. I'll be showing you all of this more in my packing video. I'm just curious for myself how this is all gonna work. Oh, though, these are all such a good size. You can fit a water bottle in these pockets, which I'm really, really curious about. And then on the back here is this awesome zipper pocket. The Shaylee and the Rosie and the Madeline all have a zipper pocket on the back, which I just find really, really helpful for those mom items that you want like separate from baby items inside. Here's a D-ring to make this bag a backpack style. There's a silver hardware all the way across on that zipper. And then inside we've got paper. Let's get that out. So here is an inside look at the Madeline. It comes with the red insert because this is a red bag. Here's that insert. It has the change pad, all those awesome pockets you know and love. And then of course your messenger or backpack strap. Here also in the matching red leather. Watch me cut my finger off doing that and looking at the camera at the same time. So there's the backpack / messenger strap. More silver hardware goodness. I love it. And that is a look at the Madeline on the inside. You of course have your 2 pockets here. Zipper pocket in the back. Little key fob hanging out in there. It's so beautiful. I can't even handle it. I'm so excited to get this beauty packed up. This is the Madeline by Lily Jade. And check back for a packing video coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye.